What's up, online shoppers? I just tried this really nice, high quality pumpkin seed oil from Maple Holistics, and I am so impressed with it. I want to let you know how it felt on my hair and my skin. This might just become your new go-to in your beauty collection, and hopefully this will help you make a decision. Now, this is Maple Holistics Organic Pumpkin Seed Oil. It comes in a really nice bottle. This is a 4 fluid ounce bottle. And what I love about it, that it comes with an actual dropper attached to it. The scent of it is exactly what it is. It smells like pumpkin, but just really, really soft. They haven't added any additional scent to it. It's just what comes from the fact that this is oil made of a pumpkin. As far as consistency, it's got a nice liquid. It's got good flow to it. Now, I picked up some pumpkin seed oil for me because it is a DHT blocker that comes out of a pumpkin. It's not any chemical formula. It is just as it is, naturally occurring. All you do is take a few droplets of it and then massage it through your hair after you've washed it. Now, I like this because I don't want to go buying a bunch of chemicals to put on. I'd rather use the things that I can get from nature. So I actually use this 2 different ways. First of all, I love pumpkin seed oil for moisturizing my hair. A couple drops like this rubbed into my hair. Now, I love it after a shower. I've washed my hair, I've let it dry, and then I just rub it through, and I feel like it's really doing a great job to moisturize everything and make it feel soft and very manageable. On the scalp side, I like this as a DHT blocker. Pumpkin seed oil does have components in it that block DHT, which is one of the contributing factors to people losing their hair or their hair thinning and shedding a lot. So I love using something like this to help with scalp support, and simply just a couple drops of it massaged through my hair every night, leave it in for 20 minutes, and then wash it out. But it doesn't just end with hair and scalp. You can also use this as a facial moisturizer, which I do, and I love it. Pumpkin seed oil is an oil that's rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C, as well as some fatty acids, so it makes a great moisturizer for delicate, sensitive skin. I also like that it absorbs well, and it doesn't leave me feeling slick or greasy. Now, something that makes the Maple Holistic oil stand out is that it's cold pressed. Cold pressed is what you want because heat can change the proteins and the oils that come out of things. And cold press means you're just getting the actual physical pressing of the oils out of the pumpkin, which means you're gonna get the most out of the pumpkin seed oil and have all that natural goodness from the pumpkin into the oil and into your skin and hair. Overall, I'm super happy that I've added the Maple Holistics pumpkin seed oil to my nightly and daily routines. I love it for moisturizing my hair. I love it for the DHT blocking properties in scalp care. And I also love how soft and moisturized my skin feels with that extra little pumpkin glow. So if you are looking for a clean, multi-purpose oil that's going to do a lot of good stuff for you, you're going to want to check out the Maple Holistics pumpkin seed oil. It is absolutely a family favorite at my house.